Apple's latest M4 MacBook Air has officially landed, and it's not just about the powerful M4 chip, it's also about the fresh color lineup. If you're considering an upgrade, choosing the right color can be as exciting as picking the specs. In this in-depth look, Technology Review will break down all four M4 MacBook Air colors: sky blue, midnight, starlight, and silver, to help you decide which one suits your style. Let's dive in. The unboxing experience. Apple keeps things simple and premium when it comes to the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the M4 MacBook Air, a color-matched MagSafe charging cable, and a 30W power adapter, or a dual USB-C charger, depending on your configuration. The color-matching MagSafe cable is a nice touch, making your setup look more cohesive. Now, let's talk about the colors. Sky blue, the showstopper. Sky blue is the brand new addition to the MacBook Air lineup, and it's already stealing the spotlight. It's a subtle yet distinct shade of blue that stands out without being overly flashy. In certain lighting, it leans toward a silvery hue, making it feel both modern and timeless. If you want a MacBook that instantly signals you have the latest model, sky blue is the way to go. Expect this to be the most popular choice among buyers. Pros: fresh, new color exclusive to the M4 model. Subtle silver undertones give it a sleek look, less prone to showing fingerprints compared to darker colors. Cons: may not match accessories as seamlessly as silver or starlight. Silver, the classic choice. If you appreciate timeless elegance, silver is for you. This color has been a staple of Apple's Mac lineup for years, and for good reason. It's clean, professional, and blends well with other Apple products. The black keyboard contrasts beautifully against the silver chassis, making it look premium and refined. Silver is for those who want a no-nonsense, sophisticated look that never goes out of style. Pros: classic and professional appearance, less prone to fingerprint smudges, pairs well with any accessory or workspace setup. Cons: doesn't offer the excitement of a new color. Starlight, understated luxury. Starlight is Apple's version of soft gold with a champagne-like elegance. It's not as bold as traditional gold, but still offers a hint of luxury. If you own a natural titanium iPhone, Starlight will complement it beautifully. This color is perfect for users who want something different from silver, but not as bold as sky blue or midnight. Pros: subtle yet premium feel. Great match for gold or titanium Apple devices. Doesn't show smudges easily. Cons: some may find it too subtle and wish for a true gold option. Midnight, the bold and mysterious. Midnight is the darkest option available, replacing space gray from previous models. While it looks stunning out of the box, it's notorious for picking up fingerprints. In bright lighting, Midnight reveals deep blue undertones, which some may love, while others may prefer a true black. If you're looking for a sleek, almost black MacBook, Midnight is your best bet. Just be ready to wipe it down more often. Pros: the darkest color option available. A modern and edgy look. Great for those who want a standout laptop. Cons: shows fingerprints easily. May not appear fully black under certain lighting. Which one should you choose? Each color has its own personality, so it all comes down to your personal preference. Want the latest, trendiest option? Go for sky blue. Prefer a timeless, professional look? Silver is your best bet. Love a hint of luxury? Starlight is the way to go. Want a bold, mysterious aesthetic? Midnight is perfect, but keep a microfiber cloth handy. Final thoughts. No matter which color you choose, the M4 MacBook Air is an impressive upgrade with powerful performance, a sleek design, and Apple's best-in-class build quality. While sky blue is likely to be the fan favorite, every color has its unique charm. What's your top pick? Let us know in the comments.